Welcome to the breathtaking coast of Umhlanga, an enchanting paradise on the eastern seaboard of South Africa. On the right, we see the majestic pearls of Umhlanga, a set of luxury residential complexes that symbolize modern opulence and architectural beauty. As we venture further along, we come upon the iconic Umhlanga Pier. Not just a scenic walkway, but an architectural marvel designed to disperse stormwater into the ocean. It's a meeting point for locals and tourists alike, and often cited as one of the world's most beautiful piers. And here we pass the Beverly Hills Hotel. With a history stretching back to 1964, this establishment has long been a sanctuary of luxury and relaxation, hosting both the weary traveler and high-profile celebrities over the years. Our journey wouldn't be complete without reaching the Umhlanga Lighthouse, standing proud since 1954. From the luxurious pearls to the iconic lighthouse, Umhlanga Beach offers a blend of natural beauty and modern sophistication. Whether you're here to bask in the sun or revel in the region's landmarks, you'll find that Umhlanga is indeed a treasure along South Africa's illustrious coastline.